live. Hello, 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 everybody. I'm doing something a little different this time. We've got the horizontal stream going and the vertical stream going. That might cause some technical difficulties. We'll see. We'll see if that kills my internet connection. Rebecca says, won't be able to stay too long, but I wanted to say hi. Well, good to see you, Rebecca. Thank you for stopping by, as always. Hello. I'm also trying something new because we've got the horizontal stream and the vertical stream going. I've got an app running that's supposed to show, it's supposed to combine the two chats and then overlay them on stream. But I guess we'll see if that works. It's not connected yet. But maybe it will be. I suppose we'll see. Yeah, but I guess let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yeah, so it's been a week since we last streamed. It's been a little bit of a minute. But we're getting back into it today. We are working on the iDog project, the same project that we've been working on for the past month. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out this chat situation. I've got Caster Labs running, which is supposed to, in theory, combine both the chats. If I say something like, hello, pog, does that show up? Will that show up on screen? Oh, that does show up on screen. Does it show up on screen? I see. It shows up okay on the vertical. Does it show up? It shows up a little gross in the... No, it shows up okay in the horizontal. It shows up a little weird in the vertical. Sorry, we're just taking a minute to work on technical things. Bear with me. I appreciate y'all bearing with me. Alright, what do I want? I want Caster Labs here. Maybe we want Caster Labs to move up? Like, maybe we can have it on me, like that. That kind of makes sense. Noah Penner says hi! And Noah Penner is on... Oh, he's hidden. We gotta go to live chat instead of top chat. I see him. I see Noah Penner. Hello, Noah Penner. Good to see ya. Glad you stopped by. Noah says, hurry or Rebecca will get bored. I think Rebecca's leaving soon anyways. There's nothing I can do to keep her tonight. Yeah, but yeah, we're trying out streaming to the horizontal. The horizontal here, this is for the diehard fans, the people who come every day. But the thing with the vertical streams is that this can show up in the YouTube Shorts feed, which I expect might mean that it seems very possible that we could get a lot more like haters and things in the YouTube live chat, because everybody who's coming to the horizontal is someone who clicked on this on purpose, and the people who are on the vertical stream, they didn't consent to seeing my face. They're just it's just happening to them. So hopefully they have a good time too. Rebecca says, Rebecca says, Nate Iverson will never bore me. Noah says, is this YouTube or the Cannes Film Festival? Rebecca says, also, I like the song in the background. Good vibes. I'm glad. I am glad that it's working, that we like it. Rebecca says, if you get haters, it means you're successful. That is so true. I also probably need to get this doc going. I think if I copy that, I think I want what docs, custom browser docs, Caster Labs URL. Put this here. Apply. Cool. So that shows me. Noah says, should I make curry udon for dinner? I think that sounds like a great idea. I think that's exactly what you should do. I think that's exactly what you should do. I'm still just wondering where. See if you guys are seeing all this, right? I'm wondering where to put the chat on the vertical stream specifically, because like over my face, I don't know if that's a good play. I don't know if it's a better play like here. Lili says, "What's up?" Lili, what is going on? What's up? Yeah, I think that'll be. I think that's okay. I mean, it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. It's probably gonna work. Yes. So. Oh wait. Lila says, "How are you?" Is she saying that to Rebecca or to me? But I'm doing good, and I hope Rebecca's doing good. But yes, we are working on the iDog project. We made a lot of progress, and then I was lazy for a week, and yeah, today we're gonna get back on the wagon, right back on the train. I think is the plan. I think that is the plan. So let's open Fusion 360. I've been putting it off. I've been dreading it. I haven't been dreading it. Maybe I've been dreading it. I'm scared to get back on the wagon, but we got it. The shareholders are chomping at the bit. They're coming after me. I promised the shareholders that this project would be done by the end of Q1 2025. That is the end of March 2025. We're already 1 month in. We're a third of the way through to our deadline, and I don't think we are a third of the way through the project. Yeah, I guess we'll see. This is where we got to last time, which is actually pretty. We made some good progress. We got the gearbox down here. We've got the servo. Servo goes to the worm gear. Worm gear goes to these other, like, you know, gear. Comes all the way up here, right? There's 2 gear outputs. This one comes up here and engages this sort of drive chain. It goes boop, boop, boop. This comes up here, spins this, spins this offset cam, which pushes this pink piece up and down vertically. And then when this pink piece moves up and down vertically, it engages with these, and these rotate, these ears. So that happens on the one hand, and then if this other output gets spun, it spins this yellow disc, which pushes, oh my god, I can't, which pushes this green piece left and right. There's a lot of progress, but I guess the thing is, I left off last stream feeling pretty good with our progress. But I think maybe we might have to redo some of the work that we did last time. Mostly because this is all kind of like the head mechanism, right? The head and ear mechanism. This is pretty good. But I guess the problem is, if there's a problem, this is pretty much scaled. It's pretty much sized to the head of the original iDog, which is okay, but the thing with this one is the head is going to be much bigger than the original iDog. So it might look silly if we have like iDog, like if basically it might look silly if we have small ears on a really big head, and it's going to be a really big head. Ina says meow. I say meow back. Welcome to the stream, Ina. I'm happy you're here. Yeah, but I think maybe what we might have to do is we might have to make this whole entire head mechanism bigger. And I think what we are probably going to need to do is we're going to need to go back to the scan of the cassette player. I know I explained this at the start of every stream, pretty much, but you know, there might be people here who haven't seen the other stream, so I'll explain the project from the top. Let's pull up another tab here. Oh, and Ina's in the vertical stream. Okay, go off. Yeah, so the project, we are trying to reverse engineer iDog, this little Hasbro toy from like the early 2000s. The toy in its original form, you know, it's this cool little thing. You plug in your music player, it listens to the music, and it wiggles its head and it wiggles its ears to the music. So we are trying to reverse engineer that and recreate this, but with the twist that the head is going to be a fully functioning cassette player, and it'll be able to listen to the cassettes and like dance to the cassettes. That's more or less the plan. Yeah, and we're making good progress. We are making good progress, at least I think. So yeah, this piece is what we've been working on for the past like month, and we're making good progress on it. But before that, I went to my friend David Morell, who helped me scan the cassette player that I want to work, the cassette player that I want to use on this, right? I think it's in the admin project. I think it's over here. Recovery document. Sure, we'll open the recovery document. Yeah, so this basically we got David to scan the cassette player that we want to use, or at least we got him to scan the shell of the cassette player. And this is the scan. And then on top of that, I've been basically just modeling it nicer in CAD. You know, so we have nice smooth surfaces, but we've roughly recreated the entire shell, which is cool. So we're going to be able to like 3D print this shell and even make like modifications to it to integrate with the whole head mechanism, the ear mechanism. But we have to do, I guess, just a couple finishing touches on this. I didn't finish making all the holes for all the buttons, so we still have to put some holes in this. Well, I think that's actually kind of it. And maybe some screw holes to connect these two together. I don't know why I'm always hesitant to make the screw holes to connect things. We won't worry about that too much though. But yeah, let's just focus on making the holes for the buttons for this cassette player. I think that's pretty much, I think that's the good next step to take. Yeah, so I guess let's get to it. So yeah, there's a hole. Actually, are these holes? Am I going crazy? Do I already have all the holes? No. Surely not. Surely not. Yeah, I guess there's some stuff on the side here. We need to get that cutout done. We need to get this cutout done. I guess maybe that's it. I think these are two little screw holes or something. I probably need to buy another copy of this cassette player just so I can remind myself of what the shell looks like. Because I gave him the original and I never got another one. But yeah, I guess we'll just... Yeah, I guess we'll make these cutouts, which will be super quick and easy. So let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, let's create a sketch on this surface. Yeah, and I guess to everyone watching, I haven't seen you guys in a week. Or, I mean, some of you maybe I've seen before that. But I haven't seen you in the live stream for a week. So how has your week been? What's going on? What's going on in the life of the viewers? I want to know. I gotta know. I just gotta know. We need to project... I need to figure out how to project a mesh into here. Can I project a mesh? Can I project a mesh? I've certainly done something roughly equivalent to projecting a mesh. But I can't remember exactly how. It might not have been an intersection curve. That might be No. Actually, this might be a question I go to the internet for. We gotta go to the internet for this one. How can I use a mesh intersection to create a curve in Fusion 360 Sketch? Just 1 second. Just a second. Rebecca says, I've been watching all Winnie the Pooh movies. It's for babies. I'm baby. Rebecca also says, jokes aside, I've been feeling nostalgic and wanted to remember what happens in those movies. It's been a really long time since I have seen those movies as well. I know there's a movie where Pooh gets stuck in a hole. And that's kind of maybe the only one I remember. Also, that's kind of a crazy sentence to say out of context. Create a section sketch. So let's finish this sketch. Create. Definitely. Let's see, Fusion 360. Create sketch from mesh. Create mesh section sketch? Is that real? Is this misinformation? Is the Autodesk website lying to me? In the design workspace, on the mesh tab, select create mesh section sketch. I think it's straight up gaslighting me, because that does not exist. It is lying to me. But I've definitely, project a section of a mesh onto a sketch. That is what I want. Is it possible to project a section or portion of a mesh into a sketch in Fusion? It is not possible. I've done it before. I just can't remember what button I clicked. Surface, mesh. I guess this is what I've done. I do this. Yeah. Okay. That's what I want. But yeah, I really like... I know we've had a conversation, Rebecca, about how I feel about... what's the movie? Christopher Robin, the live-action one? Where, like, that movie upsets me so much just because Christopher Robin is so mean to Winnie the Pooh for so much of it. But, like, Winnie the Pooh in that movie is so cute. He is so adorable. So it's not like I hate the movie. I don't hate the movie. And, like, yeah, I think A, the way Pooh acts in that movie is adorable, and B, like, his design in that movie is really cute as well. Yeah, so those are two big wins. For that movie. And I remember when I watched the trailer for that for the first time, like, I fully cried, or at least like I teared up. It was like a really sweet. It's a really sweet trailer, and it's like kind of a sweet movie. I don't know. It just pisses me off when Christopher Robin's so mean to Pooh. Pooh didn't deserve any of that, and I get that it's like a character arc that Christopher Robin becomes less mean to Winnie the Pooh, but like, I think as soon as someone is mean to Winnie the Pooh one time, I don't care if you have a character arc. I think you're just done after that. Rebecca says we gotta watch it with Ina. I'll give it a second shot. A second shot? What am I doing? My ability to speak goes from, like, when I go on stream, it's like usually it's at like a 5 out of 10, my ability to speak, and then it goes to like 3 out of 10 when I'm on stream, which is bad. But like, let me pull up. Pooh, Christopher Robin design. Yeah, I think, like, Just a person who's gonna be mean to this guy even once. I think you're done after that. You're done. Character arcs don't exist. Not, yeah, I don't know. He just pissed me off with that one. He pissed me off so bad. Okay, so we got this mesh section, right? We got the mesh section. This is what we want. Autodesk was trying to gaslight me, but we got there. And now what? Am I crazy? So that's a sketch. And then I can edit the sketch further probably, right? Or maybe, yeah, from here, what do I do? Maybe from here, I create a sketch on the surface, and then I can hopefully include that curve. Is it going to let me do that? If I go project include, is it going to let me? I think the answer is no, it's not going to let me. You gotta let me cook. Okay, it's been a week. All of my memory has just evaporated. Every minute that this stream continues is a minute that the thumbnail becomes more and more ironic. Me saying Einstein but smarter. But the thing is, many people are saying this. I think pretty much all the big commentators are saying that I'm basically Einstein but smarter. I guess not everyone is saying Einstein. I've also heard Oppenheimer. I've heard a couple. It's just like a lot of people are talking about it. I've heard Tony Stark. It's yeah. I keep saying stop. You know, it's too much. Stop. I keep saying it, but they just keep on coming. So I have this curve. And then fit curves to mesh section. Is this real? Is this something worth doing? Is that what is that? What did I do? No, that's not good. This is crazy. Kunkel in chat, let's go! Kunkel says, whoa! Our streamer is so humble. Yeah, people say that too. People are always saying this. They're saying I'm the most humble. They say no one does it like me. We are really struggling today. Rebecca says Tony Stark for sure is a subscriber. For sure. A lot of my stream is me struggling to remember how to do really basic tasks in Fusion 360. And a lot of people, well, no. Some people question if it's if I should be streaming Fusion 360 at all with the level of knowledge that I have. But to them I say, don't worry about that. I'm trying to get, I really just want a curve to kind of mimic this shape here. And again, this is something that I have done in Fusion 360, and not even that long ago. I just can't remember how. This, fit curves to mesh section does seem like it's right, but let's see. Fusion 360, fit curve to mesh section. Fit curve to mesh section. Fit curves to mesh section command fits curves to a section line in a section sketch created from a mesh body by the create mesh section sketch command. That sentence means nothing to me. Choose the sketch curve, then click to place the start point and end point along the mesh section line. You can create multiple curves within the same command with various join conditions. I see. Kunkel says, I gotta go, but I hope the brain cells don't leave too quickly. Have a good stream. Thanks for stopping by, Kunkel. Always a pleasure to have you. Always a pleasure. Is it this easy? Okay, I guess it is this easy. Okay, I guess this is... Okay, I think it's that easy. Is it just that easy? Okay, okay, okay. So I think... Okay, I think that is the command that I want. But I think that we have to... I don't want it to capture all of these little, like, squiggles and shit. I think that's kind of gross. I think we just want, like, a bit of a filter. Rebecca says, important question, would Winnie the Pooh and Paddington get along, or would they sass each other too hard? I think if we owned Paddington... Well, I mean, we have a Paddington stuffy here. If I had a Paddington and a Winnie the Pooh stuffy here, I think certainly me and Ina would make the stuffies beef. But I think if we're talking like canon, if we're talking about the lore, so I think like Paddington, what's his characterization? Paddington is very well-meaning, but a little bit clumsy. And I guess Winnie the Pooh is the same. I think they might like accidentally piss each other off. I think they would both try really hard to be besties, but I think when you spend enough time together with someone who is exactly like you or very much like you, I think that actually can be a very negative thing. Like, I don't know, it's like when you see like, I think it's really easy to get pissed off by like someone who's just like you, and I think that could happen to Paddington and Winnie the Pooh. I think they're both great bears. They're both in my top 5, if not my top. Yeah, no, we'll keep them at the top 5. But yeah, I think I could just see them getting on each other's nerves. But that's just me. I'm not an expert in the field. I think we would need an expert's opinion to know for sure. But that's just my take. So I guess we probably need the spline fit tolerance maybe to be higher. What if I do that? If I make that 1, will that capture less of the... Yeah, I think that'll capture kind of less of the... But maybe that captures too little of the little curves and stuff. Because like, what the hell's going on here? This is kind of gross. I'm struggling. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. On God. What if we go down to 0.5 millimeters? Is that a little bit better? And is spline what we want, or is arc what we want, do we think? So there's line. I think spline is still good. So I think if I go like this, this. Okay, that's nice. This is good. This is good. This is good. I like what we've got here. We've got something good. But then here, you know, why is it doing this? I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Undefined sketch error? What are you talking about? See, it was going good, and then it started acting crazy. Let's try that again. I think third time is the charm on this one. Undefined sketch error. It's acting crazy on me. It is simply acting crazy on me. We're gonna try this again. So I want to edit the sketch. We want create, fit curves to mesh section. Why is it saying undefined? Why it was working a second ago, and now it's not. What did I do? Okay, it's like kind of working. Is this just like a buggy feature? Oh my god. This is nuts. I feel like this feature is just like buggy, but I need it. So what do we do there? Is my computer just like freaking out? I am kind of bad with Fusion 360, but I feel like I'm not this bad most of the time. Don't clip that. Okay. god. Why is this acting so crazy? I mean, eventually I might just stop trying to use this feature if it keeps acting crazy. I guess, oh, maybe when this is too high it kind of causes problems. What if I make this 0? Oh my god. Oh my god. If anyone in the audience is considering live streaming Fusion 360, my advice is maybe don't. Because it is extremely painful. And it opens you up to looking very foolish. Okay, I think we're cooking. I think we're cooking. Okay, I think this is something. I think this is something. I'm gonna click OK. Okay, I think that okay. I can work with this. I can work with this. I can work with this. I can work with this for sure. So then I think from here, what I want to do, I guess I can probably turn all of these into just construction lines. And then I can probably just make a little bit of a nicer shape. I can just maybe make a rectangle. Why not? I'll make a rectangle, and then I'll make this what? I can probably make this tangent to like, oh, I can't make that tangent. I can probably make it, coincident, is that right? Oh no, that was bad. I can make this, what, collinear? No. What can I... Does tangent really not work for a curve like that? If I want to make this tangent like this? What is the best constraint to use here? Collinear not work? Yeah, okay. Is it just... Alright, well, we're eyeballing it. I guess I could have done this from the very start. You know, it's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. But yeah, I think something like this. Sure. Sure. Why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah. Okay, and then let's just project, include, project this body. I'll make this top part collinear to this. And then this, let's drag this down. I want to constrain the bottom of this to this curve, but I can't figure out how. So we're just gonna eyeball it and we'll just have to be okay with it. This I can probably drag in, something like this. Yeah, this will be fine. This will be fine. And then let us hide this body again. Yeah, this will be fine. This will be fine. I'm putting too much. I'm wasting too much brain power on something that's not that important. I got a project to finish and I'm wasting time. Alright, so from here, let's select... Yeah, we'll just select that. We'll go here. Go here. What is the... I see. So in fact, I didn't have to do any of that curve matching stuff. I think that was all probably just a waste of time. But that's, you win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. So I think literally all I needed to do. So I probably actually want to create a sketch on this here. Oh god. Create a rectangle. Whoa. Culminator in chat. We got Corbin. That's so poggers. Culminator, Corbin. How you do? What do you want me to call you in stream? I doxed you in 2.5 seconds. But Culminator, good to see you. Very good to see you. How are you doing tonight? How are we doing? How are we doing? Yeah, this will be fine. This will be fine. Finish sketch. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. We're just gonna take this, punch it through. We can probably do a little bit of a... Do we need a fillet at the bottom here? We probably don't need a fillet there. I could do a little bit of a fillet at the top. It might be nice. Corbin says, both is fine. Doing good. That's good. That is very good. Yeah, it's been Corbin says, see you live and look at 3D World. Yeah, we're looking at 3D World right now. Yeah, what's new with you, Corbin? It's been a long time since I talked to you. What's going on? What is going on? We're working on ooh, that's kind of cool. I kind of like this. I don't mind what's going on here. That's kind of cool. We do like a 0.5 fillet. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. And then we'll do this other one as well. But yeah, we're working on reverse engineering iDog, this little guy. But we're replacing the head with a cassette player. That's what we're doing today. Corbin says, I work for the city of Abbotsford and live in Mission. Country folk. You know, country boys make do. Nothing wrong with being a country folk. Country folk make good money. You still doing like water stuff, sewer stuff, water stuff? That stuff's pretty cool. If I start pissing you off, you can just shut off the water to my house. We're gonna... I guess we'll create another sketch here. I'm just eyeballing it again. I know it's gross. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Project. Yes, project this in. Corbin says, yeah, I'm in the sewer department with the Ninja Turtles. That's pretty sick. That is pretty sick. I guess... No, I did the sketch on the wrong side again. I'm acting crazy. I'm acting crazy again. Alright, we're going to create a sketch on this side. That's what we want to do. I'm going to create a sketch here. And then I want, more or less, I'm going to create a 2-point rectangle. I guess like this corner is a good spot. And then we're going to bring it all the way over here. I think that'll be cool. We'll punch this through. We'll make a cut here, just like that. And then, just like we did... Oh, sorry for the burp. Just like we did on the other side, we're going to make a fillet. We're going to make another fillet. I think I just did like this. And then we did like a 0.5 millimeter. 0.5? Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll do. Corbin says, they make me do a lot. Keep the city running when things go wrong. 3D printed dog face. Yeah, let me show you what we got. So this is kind of going to be the head that we're working on. Our good friend David scanned the cassette player that I want to use, the shell of the cassette player. So we have the scan, and then we're just making the 3D model on top of this. Just like trying to perfectly match it, but you know, making it nicer so that we can 3D print this. And then in this other tab, we have the custom like mechanism here. This is all the stuff that we are reverse engineering from the original iDog. We got the original iDog, we ripped him to shreds, which is a little bit sad. But yeah, we tore him apart. We found the gearbox inside him. We roughly tried to reverse engineer that. Yeah, and that's what we got here. So we want to take this and combine it with this, basically. That is more or less the plan. And then here are the guts of the cassette player. This is gonna go inside what we're doing here. That's the plan. That's the plan. Thirsty. I'm a thirsty boy. What we got? Yeah. Let us. What's going on here? Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being sent often enough, which can cause buffering. The current keyframe frequency is 8.3 seconds. Yeah, you know, we'll live with that. We'll live with that. But yeah, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Okay, so I think what we've got here is more or less good enough. Kunkel and Calzone says, my YouTube Shorts algo dominated by Nate Shorts right now. Let's go! Let's go! Are you in the vertical stream right now or the horizontal stream? Did you click to be here or did you just swipe to get here? Good to see you, Coleman. Glad you stopped by. Is Kunkel streaming today or is he not? That's my question. Is this kind of a gross shape what I've got here? No, this is fine. That's fine. That's fine. We got the piss command. Yeah, I think if you're in the vertical stream, I don't have Light Buddy set up in the vertical stream yet. I think it'll happen in the next one. But you got to be in the horizontal if you want to make it piss. Oh, is Light Buddy just dead for everybody? Oh, Light Buddy just died. Okay. Let's get Light Buddy back on. You guys have the IP addresses of my light bulbs. No, I'm gonna get doxxed. All right, so the suffering command. That's crazy. All right. So I want this stream. I want to click copy video link. All right. Let's get Light Buddy going. Continue. With suffering command. Rebecca says we need suffering. That's crazy. That's crazy. Ochre Pog. All right. It's up. If you guys type a command that's not stupid, it should work now. It should. You can also try the party command if you guys haven't tried it yet. I don't know if all of you guys were there when I added the party command. It's not as exciting as you might think, but it's something. It's new. It's worth a shot. Yeah, I think what we have. Oh, I guess we also need. I need to make this little. I guess this is like a headphone kind of jack sort of situation. I gotta make this little shape here. So let's do that. We got the piss lights going. Let's go. Look behind. What the hell? Why the look behind you? That's crazy. You guys are crazy. You guys are always acting crazy. Light Buddy's right behind me, isn't he? Shit. Okay. What am I trying to do? I get so stun locked. I get so stun locked when chat gets moving. But Yeah, Coleman, what's going on with you? What's new? If you just type in the command party, you'll get there. Not party mode, just party. Just party. So I think check under bed for monsters. You guys are acting crazy. It's like the nether in here. I got to okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's the plan. Here's the plan. I'm gonna hide this. We're going to surface. I'm gonna go to mesh. I want create mesh and oh my god. Create mesh section sketch. That's what I want. We're gonna go here. I'm going to rotate 90. Also, Coleman, are you enjoying the Nate Iverson YouTube shorts? A lot of them are controversial. Some of them have more dislikes than likes. I think, like, especially the cat piss one, that one has, I think for a long time it had more dislikes than likes. I think it has, like, roughly 50-50 now. Which, like, I kind of get. It kind of makes sense. But yeah, the YouTube Shorts. The YouTube Shorts game is, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. So I'm going to create that sketch there. I want to... Here's what I want to do. I probably just want to... We'll get this body. I'll create a sketch here. Activate localized earthquake at Nate's house. Corbin, are you trying to kill me? Why is my chat trying to send an earthquake to my house? That's fucked up. I think that's fucked up. Am I wrong? Is that not fucked up? Alright. Also, we see here, you know, we're not gonna worry about this looking too gross. I just gotta commit. I can't worry too much. I just gotta do it. We just want to create an arc here, I suppose. Let's just create an arc. I guess we want to probably project include at least this surface. Project include that. And I will create an arc, maybe a 3-point arc. Or maybe we'll create little lines to start. We'll just do like a line here down to here. How long did I make this? Let's see. Line down here. We'll make it 1.2. Yeah, we'll do this 1.2. We'll do another one here. 1.2. RTV new map. Is that a reference to like a video game or something I don't get? Corbin, have you played Splatoon lately? I know back in the day you were a big Splatoon guy. I was honestly like pretty heartbroken that I missed the final Splatfest. I was quite sad about that. I wanted to... Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it would have been fun to do that with you. Now, here's what we're going to do, actually. I think I've got the plan. I want to create a circle. Sure, yeah, this 3.5 mil... Yeah. 3.5 circle. And then from here, maybe I'll do an what the hell did I just do? We'll do an offset. I think that'll be cool. Yeah, I think this is a good idea. I think this is Galaxy Brain. This is why they're saying that I'm smarter than Einstein. This is why everybody's saying. Alright, we're gonna go here. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. This is what we want. This is... I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook hard. Yeah. This is good. This is good. Corbin says, I stopped playing when I moved to Poco, and even when I went to Mission. I played for the final Splatfest with the free internet trial, but that was it. Do we think that there's going to be another Splatoon? I hope it's not the last one, because I think those games are quite good. This line doesn't look perfectly parallel, I will be honest with you. Yeah, this is... Why did this... Why am I here just to suffer? Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Corbin says, play computer more than Switch. Dust tablet. Yeah, it's a bit of a dust tablet for me too. I cannot tell a lie. I cannot tell a lie. They'll do Splat 4 for the Switch too. Do you know that, or are you just saying that? Are you just talking shit? You're just talking shit right now? We're gonna go here. I want the extent type not to be... Oh my god. I'm stumbling over my words like crazy. I want the extent type to be to object. That is what I want. That is what I desire. And I want it to go here. Corbin says, I do real life hobbies more often. What are you up to? What hobbies? Work on the old car. That's sick. What kind of car do you have? That is extremely sick. So yeah, we've got that going. This is good. And then we just need to make on the other body. Yeah, we added this little, sort of this cutout for the 3.5mm jack. And then on the bottom of this case, we just need to make like the reverse, right? We've got this sticking out here, and then we just need a hole here to accept it. Woodworking, really? What are you woodworking? I think woodworking is something I really want to get into. Wood tools scare me a little bit. I think I maybe want to take a class. I got a little while ago. I got myself a circular saw. I got myself the Ryobi. I know chat might shit on me for buying Ryobi, but they're cheap and they're okay quality. But I have not used the circular saw yet. I do want to do some... This is like my only wood tool. I want to use it. Haven't used it yet. Alright. Got a Chevy Volt that I want to get rid of. Too many problems, but learned a lot about how to fix cars in general because of how it's been broken. Nice. That's sick. I mean, not sick that it like breaks down a bunch, but yeah, I mean that's really cool. Working on cars, it's like another skill that I want to have. I mean, I want to have a car. I don't have a car. I'm a little transit boy. Woodworking stuff has been simple, like a shelf for towels and in-couch storage battery cabinet. That's cool. That is very cool. Use Mastercraft tools because you like blue. Yeah, that's valid. The thing is, like, it's just like a choice you make once, and then you're just like stuck with it for the rest of your life because of the money investment. There's no way to get out of it. So I think what we want to do is I want to create a sketch on this surface here, and then we probably just need to project include, just let me hide body 1. We just need this, or actually we just need that. Yeah, we just want that. I'll click OK. I can hide this now, go back up here. Corbin says I got DeWalt drills and Mastercraft everything else. Hell yeah. DeWalt is good too. I think everything will get the job done, and that's really all that matters. How much of an offset do we want on here? We want negative 0.2. Is that good? Maybe 0.3? 0.4? Nah, 0.3. I think 0.3 will do. What stuff does Nate do? That's an excellent question. I guess what you see right now, I'm trying to get into like electronics is kind of my big hobby. I don't know if you followed along when I was making the portable Wii. I guess that was like summer of last year, kind of into the fall of last year, summer fall of last year. The portable Wii was a very fun project to work on. It drove me crazy, but I think the end result is super cool. And then, yeah, I guess I've had like other projects here and there. I had like the Sky Train Tracker thing, you know, this old boy. Yeah, I think getting into electronics is pretty cool, and I want to get, I think, more specifically into robotics, which I haven't really dipped into yet. This is kind of my first robotics project, at least my first robotics project that I'm designing myself. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool, but it's a lot of work. So I'm just streaming to pass the time while I do that. Do we like this music, by the way, or is it getting kind of crazy, kind of funky? I don't know how we feel about this. Yeah, so I think maybe this is going to be fine, at least for now. I can probably just go ahead and bring this into the other file if I can figure out how. Can I want to maybe duplicate this. Can I just duplicate this? To duplicate it. Corbin says, bigger PCB in 20 years when they expand to Langley. Very excited for the Langley extension. Harvest lithium batteries from vapes for hobby electronics. I considered that. I think it's really cool. Like, I've seen a couple people do that, harvesting vapes from disposable. I mean, it's insane to me that disposable vapes use reusable, rechargeable like lithium batteries. That's crazy to me. That shit has to be illegal soon, because that, like, the amount of lithium that's getting wasted. I know, like, people can kind of bring them back to recycling centers, but like people aren't, right? Like, I think like a huge amount of people aren't. You've collected 3 so far. Have you used them, or do you just have vapes like chilling on your desk? Because that's what would happen with me. I would collect them like, oh, I gotta save the planet, and then they would probably just sit forever. That's probably what would happen for me, at least. There's some other stuff here, but I think yeah, we're not gonna worry about this too much for now. We'll come back to finalizing this stuff up. I'll probably maybe 3D print this as is, and then try to understand how everything fits together. But I think it's a good idea to start bringing this into the other file. Harvested the batteries so far, but need to order the charging boards one day. Yeah, that's a hassle, but I believe in you. I think you could do something cool with it. iDog, move. Yes. All right. Fruity smelling batteries that I keep in separated bags. That's good. Don't try not to burn your house down. I would certainly like that. So then, if I go into this here, can if I insert this into current design? Yeah, that's kind of cool. So here, I want to move this like so. Steph, we got Steph in chat. Let's go. Steph, how are you doing? What's going on? I haven't talked to you in a bit. Not like a crazy long time. I guess not since your birthday. Hi, Nady. Hi, Steffi. Good to see you. Excellent to see you. Alright. Yeah, so we're... You know, maybe the stuff I did actually isn't so bad. The ears are kind of small, certainly in comparison to the case, but I guess it's not terrible. Maybe I will have to redo some of this. Yeah, I'll probably have to redo some of the work I did in the previous stream, but you know, you win some, you lose some. That's how she goes. That's how she goes. Steph says, you forgot Hot Pot. Oh yeah, I guess that happened after. Yeah. That wasn't me forgetting, that was me forgetting how time works. Yeah, that was fun. That was fun. But yeah, I guess this here, this is gonna be cool. Pepsi! Corbin, you are going crazy with light, buddy. Kyan says hi, and purple. Hi, Kyan. Good to see you. Thank you for stopping my stream. What's new with both of you guys? What's new with Steph? What's new with Kyan? What's going on? I guess I want to move. I want to do maybe a point-to-point operation. Let's select this whole thing. Move. Oh my God. Yeah, we'll select this whole thing. I'll move this. I'll do a point-to-point maybe. Maybe. Will it know what the center is? Yeah, that's the center. And then move this to the center of like this. So that's kind of, yeah, this'll do. This'll do. Steph says, how's iDog feeling? iDog's feeling okay. Does he have feelings already? I don't think so. I don't know if he'll have feelings until he is truly born, which I hope is soonish. I think I'm falling behind schedule a little bit. I think the fact that I didn't stream for a week, you know, it hurts the momentum of the project a little bit, but I'm glad to be streaming again tonight. I really would like for this project to be done by the end of Q1 2025. I want it to be done by the end of March. And I don't think... Kevin, good to see you. How you doing? Let's actually... My code is bad, by the way. It's mostly ChatGPT code. I think if I hit reset, that'll kill party mode. And now you guys can go back to selecting colors. But yeah, I had party mode on, so it was just cycling through everything, and it was ignoring your commands, which I apologize for. But now you can use Light Buddy again. Corbin says, iDog turned to Molten Freddy. Counting by quarters. Yeah, but Kevin... Oh my God, sorry. Something got caught in my throat right as I said that. How are you doing tonight? What's going on? What's going on in the life of Kevin? Yeah, I'm trying... Yeah, so we just put this cassette shell into the file. And in doing so, you know, it kind of points out the obvious that some of this ear mechanism and some of this head mechanism is a little bit smaller than we need it to be. So we need to do some adjusting there. And we probably need to do some adjusting on the cassette shell itself. I can probably break this link. We'll capture the position. And you know what? I'm also realizing that I didn't even need to do these cutouts either, because these were going to be for the hinge, and I think I was just not even going to use the hinge. So I might have actually just wasted a lot of time on stream today too. But you know what? It happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us. All right, so let's just focus. Oh my God, I'm choking on water. My brain cells my brain cells really decrease exponentially as soon as I start streaming. I think what we can do, I think what we should do is hide this lid and start on working. I want to integrate this ear mechanism with this shell, basically. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah, I think that's what we want to do. So let's do it. Let's do it. So let me just take one brief second to comprehend how it works in the real iDog. This is the bottom of the head of the real iDog. What we probably need, I guess what we definitely need, is I can probably start selecting bodies here. Ear mech rails. My naming conventions are really bad, by the way. Pink gear rack. This is, we'll say this is ear left. We'll say, oh, that didn't take hold, why not? Ear left. And this is ear right. Corbin says, I leave now, gotta get ready for working man day. Take care, we'll harass again when you show up and subfeed again. Well, thank you so much for stopping by, Corbin. I had a really good time chatting with you. It's been too long. And when Splatoon 4 comes out for Switch 2, I would like to do a Splatfest with you. And that is the truth. That is the honest truth of the matter. So yeah, I want to select this, and where's this? Oh. Pink gear rack. Yeah, so I want to select this. I want to move this all up, I think. Oh, I guess also the offset cam we want to move up. Offset cam. Get expensive Switch 2 and Splat 4 one day. Bye bye. Bye, Corbin. Thank you very much for stopping by. Alright. Let's take this all. Let's move this up. Yeah, we'll just move this up. Like so. Yeah, like so. I think. Yeah, this will be good. This will be good. Oh, did I forget to select the cam again? Oh, my brain is having a tough one. It's having a tough one today, I cannot lie. Okay, this. Yeah, sure, all of this. I think these two, right? Well, this, sure, all of it. We're gonna select all of it. This, and we want to move this all up. All right. I had a dream the other night. I don't know if I'm gonna get canceled for sharing this. I don't think you can get canceled for something you dreamt, right? Me and Ina have been planning on going on a China trip soon, right? We're still planning on going on a China trip. We're planning to go to China in May, and I'm really excited. I've been studying Chinese. I've been, I'm hyped for it. I think about it a lot, but my dream self, I guess, is slightly worried about it, and I didn't know this about myself. I dreamed that we went to China, and it was like, I dreamed that we went to like Beijing, and it was like the most like crime-ridden city on planet Earth. I dreamed it was basically like Gotham City in my dream, and like people were recommending like, oh, like you gotta go to this bar, and Ina was like, there's like at least one murder per month in this bar. I'm like, huh? That's not how I view Beijing. but that is how my dreaming self appears to view it, which is a little... I don't know why. I don't think I can get canceled for that. But you can cancel Dream Nate if you want. But I'm innocent. You know, I was just trying to survive. Alright. I think we're just gonna vibe this out, I guess. I think I just need to vibe this out. I need... Yeah, all of the work we did in the previous stream with this ear mechanism, it was all according mostly to the dimensions of the original iDog. And I just wasn't thinking a lot about how it's going to translate with this much bigger head. So I think a lot of the work we did in the last stream, I'm going to have to redo, which kind of sucks. But, you know, it is what it is. This is, you know, such is life. Such is life. But yeah, I think we want the ears to be, like, roughly there. And I definitely want this, like, rod to come up the center of this shell. In the iDog, the hinge of the neck is more, like, up here. But since the head is going to be a lot heavier with the cassette player, I think we want to have the pivot basically be right in the center. Just so that, like, the motor isn't, like... it doesn't have to, like, deal with too much weight. I think it's going to be better if it's centered. I think. But maybe the scale of the ears is fine, actually. I'm not too upset about this. Oh. Let's move this body. Yeah, we'll move this something like that. Something like that. And that means let's bring this into Microsoft Paint actually for a moment. For just a moment. It's always easier to think in Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is such a good piece of software. It's so, you know, you can do no wrong. Yeah, I love Microsoft Paint. Where is my pen? Okay. So, basically, what we had before, the motor spins this offset cam, and it, like, this spins around, you know, like this. And as this green disc spins, like this blue piece here, right? These are like rails. These are rails that keep the pink piece from moving left to right. So as this green part spins, this pink part just moves up and down linearly. And then these yellow teeth have little, like, pieces that engage with the gear. Like, basically this side of the yellow teeth they function as gears. And as this pink piece moves up and down, these yellow ears spin like this. And yeah, before these yellow ears were down here, so this, like, directly engaged with this. But now that we are moving the ears significantly further away, we have to basically redesign this pink piece entirely, and probably all of these pieces, probably the green piece, the pink piece, and the blue piece. I think basically mostly just by scaling it up. But we probably want something like, well, certainly what we need like boop, 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 boop. And this, you know, something boop, 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 boop. Like, we kind of need something, I guess, kind of like this. Kind of like this. Kind of like that. Let me just take a look at the real piece for just a second again. Just trying to comprehend here how the original iDog works. Oh, I guess I was actually... Oh, okay. I was missing a piece of the puzzle. This actually makes a lot more sense. So I think my original work was going to have to get redone pretty much either way. So this is good. This is fine. I think... Yeah, no, this is good that we're redoing this, actually. I'm actually overjoyed. Okay, so we want to scale this piece up. Let's say that this turquoise piece is the head. We want to have pieces coming off it kind of like something like this, right? And the yellow ears are going to hinge in the center of there. Something like that. And then lower down here, there's also going to be little holes for gears here. So we're going to have essentially, we'll have a gear, we'll have a smaller gear here, boop, 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 boop. And that's going to engage with the yellow ear, boop, 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 like so, right? And that'll be on both sides. Boop, 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 boop. And then that engages with this ear, boop, 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 like that. And then we need the rack and gear system. Boop, 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 boop. This is real engineering, by the way. This is some real shit you guys are watching. So it's gonna go like this, you know, boop. This is just gonna be bigger for the most part. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Yeah, so kind of like this. I think this is what we want to go for. More or less. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this is the play. So, maybe what we should do is first solidify the placement of the ears, and then we'll get in these little gears here, and then we'll work on the pink piece, and then we'll work on the blue piece. I think this is a good plan. I think this is an excellent plan. Rebecca says it's like watching history being made. That is so true. Many are saying this. Yeah, so from here, I'm going to actually quickly refill my water. It'll be like 30 seconds. But it is water time. It's water time for me. Water time. Oh, that R is crazy. Water time. Thirsty. Boy. Alright, I'll be back in like 30 seconds. 30 seconds. He's smarter than Einstein. Everybody's saying this. There was a story that I kind of want to share with the stream, but I'm not sure if I can or if I should. There's a video I maybe wanted to share. Let me first find it, and then I'll evaluate if it's something that I can show. Give me like 30 seconds here to figure this out. Also, if anyone is in the vertical stream, or if anyone has been in the vertical stream, I'm curious if the video quality is good. If you have like... If you guys have like a minute to check out the vertical stream, I'm just curious if the quality is good or if it's shitty. Because it's my first time doing the vertical stream. Yeah, I'm just curious. I am just curious. But yeah, there's a video I'm looking for. Give me just a minute here. One sec. I might not even be able to find it, so I might just be teasing you guys for no good reason.
You're aware, he knows when you've been there. Good so.
Is this... Okay, so I could show you guys if I wanted to. Rebecca says, vertical stream looks good, but the chat is a little hard to read because of the white font. Yeah, that's probably something I will have to change. I wonder if that's something I should change now. Or if I'm even able to. Let's see. Message style, message animation, text style. Oh, I can do a text shadow might help. Will this take effect immediately? If I do a huge text shadow, is this gonna look crazy? Yeah, I'm not sure if it'll change in real time. I'm trying to add a text shadow. You know, we'll see. Maybe we'll add an outline. We'll see if any of this makes it look better. But yeah, it's kind of gross to have it cover the whole screen too, huh? I can probably just go in here. We'll make this like half as tall. Maybe this is a little nicer. But yeah, I guess it's still not... I think some of these updates are not gonna... Yeah, maybe some of these updates aren't gonna happen right away. Or maybe I have to copy this new link. Let's try this. Maybe I'm gonna break everything. Yeah, you know... Maybe it's just gonna look ugly for this stream, and hopefully a little less ugly for next stream. Maybe for another stream you can add like a background to the chat. Yeah, I was thinking that too. I don't know if like... I guess actually I probably could do that right now if I just go in like... Photoshop. Oh, there's me working on the thumbnail. If I do go like Photoshop, I go like width 720, height 1280. Just make like a transparent thing. And I go like... If I just like fill this whole thing with like black. And then opacity, like make it a pretty low opacity. Like... Is 50%? Is that chill? Is that really low? Or maybe even pretty high opacity, 85. If I just export this as like, sure, we'll export that as a PNG. We're just trying things. We're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. Let's see, live stream, transparent, black. Let's see what we can cook up. Let's see what we can cook up. If I go here, add an image. Oh, can I just add We'll add an image, new, browse. This is really engaging content. I know. Live stream, transparent black. So then the whole thing is black. I guess this has to be underneath. Ben, we got Ben in chat. Let's go. Let's fucking go. What did I... wait. Am I cooking? Am I cooking? I don't know if I'm cooking. Image. I want the image to be below everything. Or not below everything. I want the image to be here. Alright, maybe that's a little bit nicer in the vertical. Sorry, I was doing that on the second monitor, which is not good. I'm working on trying to get the... I'm streaming horizontally and vertically at the same time. I'm trying to get the vertical stream to look a little nicer. The problem is, like, it's hard to test without being live, but then being live is like a weird time to test because people are watching, and I want to show them. I want to show them the good stuff. But Ben, how are you doing tonight? What's going on? What's new with you? Yeah, there was a video that I was debating showing, and maybe I'll show you guys. It's probably chill. It's probably chill. Let's see. Just like a snippet. I'm going on the second monitor again because I don't want you guys to see all of this because this is crazy. And I'm scared. I'm honestly scared that it's gonna violate YouTube server. It's nothing bad. It's nothing bad, but it's like maybe kind of bad. I guess you guys can maybe we'll watch it and you guys will. I'm hyping this up to make it sound terrible. Maybe I'll just tell you guys. I'm going crazy with you guys. Ben says, LMAO, I love that this works. I'm not bad. Just finished up making progress slides for my work. Time to unwind. Very nice. Tell you what, I'll explain the video and then you guys will tell me if I get canceled for showing the video, right? We'll just explain it first and then you guys can tell me. When I was, or actually no, here's where we'll start the story. Let me think. Steven says, could you do a single tooth gear on the yellow portion? You would see the teeth in the current setup. Just a thought. You would see the teeth in the current setup. I think it wouldn't be so bad. I guess. I'm not much of an engineer. Steven, can you help me? I don't know what a single tooth gear is. Do you mean like a gear with literally just one tooth? I'm reverse engineering this based off the iDog toy, which already exists. And the way it exists, like, this is kind of what the piece looks, well, I guess it's hard to see. The teeth are already not so visible because, like, the teeth, it's like, there's like a layer here that's not toothed, and then like there's a second layer here where like there is teeth, and like I think they're kind of visible in the original toy, but it doesn't actually look as bad as you might think. So I think I'll be okay probably with the original method, but I'm not 100%. I'm not 100% on what a single tooth gear is, unless you mean literally like this. This is what I'm imagining when you say. I guess I can Google it. I do have the power of Google on my side. Let's see, single tooth gear. Oh, literally it is that. Okay. I guess that would technically work. But yeah, it's not gonna be. it's not gonna have teeth all the way around. It kind of is like, it's kind of like a quarter of it, or 3/4 of it kind of is like this, and then it just has like maybe 6 teeth. So I think maybe some of the teeth kind of end up showing, but I think it's not so bad. But yeah, Steven, thank you for joining the stream. Appreciate it. Anything? What's new with you? What were you up to today, Steven, before you came here? I'm curious. Coleman says, can we make a contraption that does irreparable damage to our own personal lives and the communities around us? That already exists, and it's called Twitter. Well, now it's called X.com, but still kind of called Twitter. You know what I'm saying? I use it every day. I'm allowed to say it because I use it every day. But yeah, I'm also guns. But yeah, my brother lately has been... He's been going through all of our old video cameras, like all of our cassette video cameras, and has been converting all the videos to digital. And in doing so, he's uncovered a lot of videos from me and from my childhood. And a lot of them... It's a lot of stuff that, like, completely was not in my memory, and then he showed me, and I'm like, oh, look, I 100% remember that. I remember being there. I remember doing that. And one of these videos... it was like a compilation of, I guess, sketch comedy that I made with my sisters, and my sisters and their friend Brianna, and one of these sketches that we made together, all of them are pretty bad. I'm trying to think of how old I am in that video. I'm probably... I think they were about 16, so I was about 10 years old in this video. So I'm about 10 years old, and we're doing sketch comedy together, and it's a very interesting thing to see something that you thought was funny when you were 10 years old that you made, and seeing it through the eyes of an adult. But we made this video where I was like a safari tour guide. I was a safari tour guide, and for some reason, I was just trying to show my sisters and our friend Brianna just like different animals and stuff. I'm like, here are some crocs, and instead of like a real crocodile, it's like the shoe, a croc. That's what a croc looks like. And like this whole time we decided that like my enemy in this video is like the broom. I don't know. We just had a broom lying around and we decided the broom is my enemy. All of this isn't super important. But at the end of the video, it's like it culminates with my, I guess, epic battle against this broom. And I guess to start off the battle, they decided like... I'm trying to decide how best to explain this. They wanted me to like take off like my jacket so that I could like the idea is like I throw off my jacket so I can like fight this broom. And they thought it would be really funny. I guess I'll draw it out. This is gonna be the best way to do this. So yeah, the plot point that we're hitting is I'm taking off my jacket so that I can wrestle this broom. And the way they decide to direct and film me, and I'm just the actor. I'm not really a creative mind in this project. They have me standing here, and I've got like the big jacket on. That's me with my jacket, and they have me standing next to, like, we have this big lamp. They have me standing next to this big lamp, and they thought it would be funny if I hold on to this, we can call it a pole. They thought it'd be funny if I held onto the pole and basically moved my hips left and right while slowly taking off the jacket. I have clothes and stuff underneath, but like basically my sisters made 10-year-old Nate do a simulation of a striptease in this video, and I think it's really funny. And like, there's nothing like I have clothes on, but I don't know if I can show that on YouTube. Like it'd be fucked up to show a 10-year-old doing that on YouTube, but it's funny because it's me. I don't know if I'm alienating all of chat by thinking it's funny, but like, it's funny because it's me. I don't know if I can show it. I think it's kind of funny. Coleman says, do you ever find out something from your childhood and then get worried that you have no memory of it because something traumatic happened to you at a similar time and your brain threw it all out? I guess, you know, like, as like a thought experiment maybe, but I think I just have bad memory. I'll show like 20 seconds of it because I think it's funny. And if I get canceled, I get canceled.
Hold up. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on you.
Alright, that's all you get to see. I don't know. I think it's kind of funny. A big distraction from the project. Yeah, but you guys got to see a piece of Nate lore. It being set to stronger makes it a lot. Oh shit, that's true. I guess in my I forgot it was to Kanye. Oh no. I don't know which is the worst part of that. I have a project. We should get back to the project. Thank you for coming along with me on that detour. Actually, no, I remember my parents saw that video and they got like really pissed at my sisters. They were like, you guys, like, Nate is a 10-year-old kid. He didn't know what you made him do, but you know what you made him do, and it is gross. But I don't know. It's funny to me that it happened, and it's funny to me that video exists 15 years later for posterity. But yeah, that's that. Back to the project. Did we gain viewers or lose viewers during that, do we think? I would not be shocked if we lost viewers. We certainly did. We certainly did lose viewers because of that. Sorry. Sorry about that. Back to the project. We gotta get back to the project. We gotta get back to the project. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm losing my mind. The dance is very pure. You're just swinging your arms. Yeah. It's pretty funny. Oh my god. Okay. So, am I happy with these ears the way they are? Do I want them to be any bigger? Not sure. I also want to see... I might need to actually... Sorry, I'm tripping. Okay, so... Okay. I think I've got a plan. I think I know what I'm doing. I think. Yeah, okay. My question is, do I want to make these ears any bigger than they currently are? Or am I happy? What do you guys think, chat? This isn't an engineering question. This is like a vibes question. Do we think that the size of the head to the size of the ears, are we happy with this? Or do we need the ears to be bigger? What do we think? What do we think? I'm not certain how I feel about this. I think they could be a little bigger. They could be like a tiny bit bigger. But I guess like the question is like, do I want to do the work of actually going in and redoing the stuff that I already did? Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. You know what? No, I'm going to say that they're fine. I'm going to say they're fine. I'm just going to work on the assumption that they're fine. Yeah, you know what? I'm making the call. These ears are a good size. I'm happy with the size of the ears. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these ears and we're just going to move them up. That's what I want to do. Steven! We got Steven in chat! Let's go! Good to see you. Steven says, streaming at the same time at Kunkel is crazy work. Real competition. Yeah, that's true. I don't think that I'm taking a lot of viewers away from Kunkel. I guess I just took you. But, yeah, that's kind of crazy work. Usually I like to stream earlier in the day. And I think I will go back to streaming... Should we kill party mode? I think we're in party mode right now. Now you guys can choose the color that you want. Now we can choose pink. Yeah, I have honestly not gotten a ton of work done today. I've been struggling, I guess one could say. Just, I guess, taking the week off the project has really... Like, I lost some of the juice. I lost some of the momentum. But, you know, it's all going to come back. I'm looking for the bits of iDog that I have strewn all over my desk. Okay. Alright, alright. Let's, yeah, okay. Okay. I've got an idea of a plan. I think I want to take both of these and actually move them down a tiny bit. Move them down just a tiny bit. Also, Steven, how are you doing tonight? What's going on? What's going on in the life of Steven? I think something like that is probably okay. Yeah, I think something like that's probably okay. And we'll probably... Maybe what I'll do, actually, is maybe I'm going to make a construction plane. I want to make a plane through 3 points, I think is a good idea. So let's do that. A plane like so. Ooh, actually, no, that's not good. That's no good. A plane like so, I think would be good. Steven says, catching up on an abundance of homework. Madge sit. What the hell kind of emote is Madge? Oh, sorry. The burps are coming for me with a vengeance. Madge sit. What the hell? What the hell? Is that a Twitch thing? This is YouTube. We're different here. We're different here. Okay. What we're gonna do. We're gonna create a sketch here. We need to make the little circles that the ears are gonna rest upon. That's the idea. Steven shared an image. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good emote. Alright. It's a good emote. Yeah, so I guess here's what I'm gonna do actually. I think what I want to do. I'm stun locked. I'm stun locked again, chat. We can probably create a sketch on this ear. And then I think is this like a 45-degree situation? Yeah, this is like, yeah, 45 degrees. I think I want this point to be, like, I want this to be like, I think probably perfectly tangent to this. I don't know if that's crazy. If I move this, if I do like a point to point. Origin point here. Move this to there. I think that's kind of cool. I think that might be a good... Yeah, I think this might be good. Is this... I think that's roughly... Yeah, I think that'll at least give us a place to start. And that's mostly what I need, is just a place to start. Higgs says, being a Nate Iverson fan is tough because you only ever hear about streams from his roommates. What the hell? I post on Instagram, usually I post like hours before I stream. If not like many hours. Today was unusual. I only posted like 20 minutes before I went live. That's on me. But I didn't know if I was going to stream today. And then, you know, it just happened. So, you know, you gotta ring that. Well, we got Ben and Billy in chat at the same time. This is crazy. This is sick. Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to. Yeah, we're gonna create a sketch here as well. That's what we're gonna do. It is kind of crazy. Bell is rang. I don't know if I believe that. That Billy's lying for sure, right? You gotta be checking YouTube 10 times a day. You can't be missing the Nate Iverson streams. Yeah, see, everyone's ganging up on Billy as they should be. You gotta pay attention. Billy says, this is my chance to plug Citizen Sleeper 2. No free clout. No free clout. No free clout. Don't play Sleeper Citizen. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. All right. And that goes there. Do we think if I create a sketch... I want to hide some of these sketches, probably. But Billy and Steven and Ben, what's going on tonight? What's happening? What's new with you guys? We got all the boys in chat. This is nuts. I don't even know how to handle myself. All right. Is this like... I just want to see... I guess I want to project include both of these ears. Deadly Trio, says Steven. We playing Citizen Sleeper 2, says Billy. Ben went to the dentist and they took all his teeth. They call him Clean Teeth Ben. They call him No Teeth Ben. All right, Ben, keep it real with us. Cavities? No cavities? You know, no shame here. There's no shame here. I haven't been, well, if we're going to talk about shame, should I share this live on stream? I have not been to the dentist in years. And I should. I think I will. I think I should probably. I think I probably should see the dentist. And you guys, I think maybe will give me the motivation I need. If I just create a line, I'm gonna make this. I want this tangent here, and I want this tangent here. I can't because they're not. I see. Billy says, I went recently, but it was a 2-year gap for me too. Ben says, no cavities. I hadn't been in years until I went last year. Let's go. Can we get a W in chat for no cavities? Steve says, if we're going to talk about shame, let's talk about how fat Jesse the cat is. That's crazy. Can we ban Steven? Yeah, I think Steven gets at least a minute timeout for that, right? Steven gets put user in timeout. Yeah, Steven, take a minute off. Take a minute off, Steven. Oh yeah, I forgot that it deletes all of Steven's messages going backwards. I always forget it does that. Yeah. You know, just is what it is. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. Culminator's playing tour. I gotta close Steam. We gotta close Steam. Oh, okay. Perfect cat nonetheless. That is true. That is true. So I think what we can do... What's the strat here? What do we think the strat is here? I lowered these... Is that what I wanted to do? Did I want it to lower them like that? I can probably move these up. I guess I want to move these back up. This stream is just me moving ears up and down for 5 hours straight. Billy says... What? So Ben says Jessie was watching stream and now she's sulking. Billy says, do we want to talk with this chat delay or what? Do I have a chat delay again? Surely not. Oh yeah, I do. The vertical stream actually has less of a delay, I think. But I think maybe the video quality is a little choppier. I'm not sure. Yeah, I remembered. You guys can see. I remembered to set it to low latency. Oh, I guess you guys can't see. I remembered to set it to low latency on the vertical stream. Forgot to set it to low latency on the horizontal stream. So that's my bad. I really thought that I figured it out. I only fixed it on. Let me show you. We got. Here's the setup today. So you guys, right, are probably all watching this, and you guys clicked on the video to come here. But on YouTube, you can also stream vertically. So here, right, everyone who came here is someone who wanted to watch Nate Iverson. They clicked on the Nate Iverson thumbnail. They came in to watch. But the vertical stream can show up in the YouTube Shorts feed. So people who are just watching Family Guy funny moments can get flashbanged with a Nate Iverson. Which, yeah, I don't know if that's good. I don't know if that's bad. It's supposed to... You know, maybe we'll get more viewers in. We'll see. There haven't been a ton of people checking out the vertical stream, though. I thought we would get more views. I mean, YouTube has also been complaining that my stream settings are bad on the vertical stream, so that might be hurting me. But we had a couple people in, I guess. It was an accident. I'm not prioritizing the short form audience. You guys are my OGs. You guys are my OGs. Let it be known. Anyways, here's Wonderwall. Yeah, I'm sorry I forgot to set it to low latency, and it sucks that like as soon as you go live, you can't change the settings. No, you can't. You can't be thumbs down, gang. That's crazy. Oh, the stream also. The chat looks really ugly on the vertical stream, doesn't it? No, sorry, on the horizontal. I'm forgetting. No, this is crazy. I think so. Let's go. Let's do some housekeeping here. Let's add transparent black. Let's do a little bit of that, and let's put this underneath all that. So that looks a little bit nicer on the. That probably looks a little bit nicer, right? Why? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I see. Well, this is kind of. That's kind of weird. You know, we'll make everything look a little nicer for the next stream. It's hard to test when you're not live, and it's a bad time to test when you're live because everyone gets to see that, you know, things are gross. What's going on? Billy says, okay, turn the stream off and fix it. Maybe I'll join your Patreon if you do. Ben said, I hopped in the vertical to check it out and I missed y'all. Yeah, that's fair. Ben's in the vertical stream right now. Can you tell me if the vertical stream is good quality? Because I don't know, YouTube's been complaining the whole time. Rebecca said the vertical stream quality isn't so bad. Yeah, I don't know. The latency in the vertical stream is certainly lower, but vertical dab. We got a vertical dab from Ben. Maybe I'm still debating where the right. I don't know. That's fine. We got a project to do, and I've been avoiding doing real work this whole damn stream. I've just been talking shit the whole time. I'm sorry to everyone who's come here to watch real work. Ben says looks mostly fine to me. That's good. That's good. You know, that's all I need. Mostly good. It's good enough. You also can't activate Light Buddy in the vertical stream, at least for now, which is kind of sad. The chat is the chat's underneath the chat, so it's kind of hard to read. That kind of makes sense. I guess I can move that up, but I don't know if that is like Uggo. This is crazy what I'm doing here. Can I go to vertical sources? I probably want the webcam to be above everything. Yeah, I don't know. Steve says I can't see the chats of people in vertical stream. That's wild. Yeah, I mean it's you can see it overlaid on the. It's you know, this whole thing's kind of a work in progress, I will say. You should be able to see Ben's messages like on screen in the gross little chat on the side. You know, there's a lot of kinks to work out. We'll have them worked out on the next stream. We'll figure something out. We'll figure something out. Anyways, here's Wonderwall. I'm gonna create a sketch on this ear. We probably want to just, I guess, first we'll project include this surface, like so. Yes, okay. We got a horizontal dab and a vertical dab from Ben today. Transparent background to the chat is diabolical. Yeah, it looks... everything. You know, we kind of rushed this one out. It's not my best product. You guys are going to have to live with it for a stream. It'll be better for the next stream, I promise. I promise. That's a Nate Iverson guarantee. So, I think I can probably do, if I want this to be like 45 degrees, I could probably do something like let's create a line there. I want this to be tangent. I want this to be tangent to the circle. And then I want this to be, I want this to, what, be co something? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. But yeah, I don't know what the ideal layout to the vertical stream would be. Because I also considered putting the chat like over my face. Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I can't worry more about the chat than I do about iDog. I've been running behind on the iDog schedule. The shareholders are starting to get pissed. They're starting to get on my ass about it. I was telling everybody I want to finish this. I want to be done iDog by the end of Q1 2025. I want it to be done by the end of March. And we're already, you know, the first month of the year is gone. You know, that's like one day out of 3. I gotta, you know, it's like I'm a third of the way. What the hell? I'm a third of the way to the deadline, but I don't think I'm a third of the way done the project. You know what I'm saying? Let's delete this line. Actually, I want this to be tangent to this, and I want this to be coincident to this. Oh, that's sick. That is so sick. Cool. Yeah, I think that'll be a nice, strong. Yeah, I think we can work with this. I'll finish this sketch. We'll select all this, select all this. Like so. Oh, something happened here. Something ain't right here. Alright, I guess we have to edit that sketch. We gotta edit the sketch. Maybe I can delete this line. Maybe it can just go here to here. Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. That'll be good. Alright. I think we're cooking. I think we're cooking. What's this sliver doing? Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, is this gonna be crazy? This is kind of gross. Let's try this. I want to make a small change. I want to make a small little change to this sketch. I'm going to delete this also. And we'll connect this from here to here. I think that'll be a little better. Let's hide... Oh my god, I got so many sketches. Let's hide this guy here. And maybe let's also hide the ear. Ear right? Or is that, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Okay. Yeah, this I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. And then we'll make the cassette player visible again. And then finish sketch. Just select all that again. Oh, that's gross. That's gross. Let's select all that again. Alright, we're going to select all that again, and we are going to extrude. Billy says, Nate, thoughts on the Luka Doncic trade? You know, I think it's one of the best trades in history. I think there's never been one quite like it. The Luka. Let's get a pronunciation guide in this.
Luka Doncic.
Luka Doncic. The Luka Doncic trade is something many are talking about. They're saying it's one of the best, one of the most unfathomable trades. People feel really strongly about it. They feel it's either really good. There's good times. There's bad times. Yeah, I don't know. I know nothing about basketball. I'm not the person to ask. Can I join? I would like... I really want this piece to join with this piece, but it doesn't seem to want to. Why do you not want to? What's happening here? Is there like a tiny, imperceptible gap? Is this gap the problem? Oh my god. What the hell? Okay, I guess we gotta go back in. We gotta fix that sketch. Billy says, somebody clip that right now. Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Did I never project the cassette player? I think surely I did. I thought surely I did. I want to edit the sketch. Want to project, include this. Oh. No, I guess maybe I don't want to. Oh, this is becoming a mess. This is becoming a real mess. I think we gotta kill this sketch and start over. This is just. We gotta delete it. We gotta delete this sketch. This body, don't need it, don't want it. Let's delete this too. Billy says the trade would be like Gus trading Walter White for Todd as Cooks. That's one of the worst trades of all time. Wait, Todd. Yeah, no, well, I mean, Todd's funny. Todd's not a good cook, though. No, that's a crazy trade. That's a crazy trade. All right. Let's create the sketch here. Let's do this one last time, y'all. So let's project include. Let's be really intentional here. Let's project this curve. Right? And we're also projecting oops, we're also projecting this this piece here, and we're gonna have the circle like so, and we're just gonna do 45, and that'll go like so, another 45 like so, and then we'll just connect up that to that, and we'll connect up this to that, and hopefully this is this works better. We can pray, we can hope, and we can pray. And we won't leave this little gap. We won't leave that little gap. All right, is this gonna work? Do we think this is gonna work? If I hide the ear and then I extrude, is it gonna? If I join, okay. I'm goated. I'm the Doncic of CAD. I'm the Doncic of CAD. Everybody's saying this. You know, it's crazy. Everybody who came here before, was saying, you know, I'm one of the smartest guys on YouTube. Everyone was saying I'm the Einstein of YouTube. But you fuckers come in. You shit on the vertical stream. You make, you know, it's crazy. It's crazy what I go through. It just ain't right. Join, yeah, to objects. If I want to extrude to there. All right, that's kind of cool. I think that's kind of cool. I'm also realizing. I think the work that we're doing right now is good, but we're gonna have like all of this like ear mechanism sort of here at the bottom, but we have like this USB port here, and we have this like 3.5mm port here, and what I'm realizing is that like basically all of the ear mechanism stuff is gonna go in where the cassette mechanism was usually going to go in. So probably what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to extrude, like we're going to have to make this taller, kind of like that. And we're going to have to move up the USB port in that port. Which we'll be able to do. This isn't a huge loss or anything. This is going to be okay. But this is something to keep in mind. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. We'll cross that bridge when we get there for sure. Yeah, but you know, we're not at that bridge yet, so we won't worry about it yet. But that's something to think about. It's something to think about. Yeah, and then what we're gonna do is we're also gonna create a sketch here. I think that is our plan. Create a sketch. We are going to project include this curve right here, and we are going to project include this little piece right here. Lovely. Yeah, and we're going to create a circle here like so. We're going to go 45 degrees up, connect there, also 45 degrees. Oh yeah, sure, just like that. Well, let's try that. Yeah, 45 connected down like so. Lovely. We're going to connect this point to this point and this point to that point. And then we're just going to extrude that as well. That's the plan. That's the plan. this one is giving me a lot less grief than the other one, which is poggers. Oh, I lied. I actually lied. Why is it... I thought it wasn't going to give me grief, and now it's giving me grief. What the hell? This is crazy. This is so fucked up. Let's try that. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. So I go like so. New body. I don't want new body. I want join. Is there a gap again? I could have sworn that there would not be. Why does this not want to join? Chat, what am I missing? Let's go back to this sketch. I really don't understand what I could be missing. Maybe, you know what? We are going. I think I know what we can do. I think I know what's up. I think I know. Well, I guess I don't really know why it's causing a problem, but I think I know how to fix it. I think we're just gonna have to create a new sketch. Probably the best way to do it will be to just create a plane through 3 points. I think this is going to be the play. This point, and then can I get a point? We'll say also through this point. Cool. Yeah, we'll just create the sketch from here, and I think this is going to be a lot more painless. So I think this is the strat. I think this is the strat. Okay, we're gonna create the sketch. Oh my god, so many sketches. Let's bring the ear back in. And we're going to project in, again, we're going to project in the curve, this curve here. And we're going to also project in that yellow ear, this one here. Alright, like so. We're going to make a circle here. We're going to go 45 degrees up, connect here, and 45 degrees down, like so. Connect down here, lovely, perfect. And we're going to connect this to this, and this to this. And now if it still doesn't want to join, I honestly have no idea what went wrong. I need you to say a silent prayer for me, chat, or even an out loud prayer. I need a power greater than myself in this moment. Is it going to work? It is not. I don't understand why. Chat, am I cooked? Why is it not liking me? A prayer that'll reach me after a 30-second delay. I'm sorry about the delay. That's my bad. This motherfucker. trying to use the cyan command. That's crazy. In my darkest moment. Is Light Buddy dead? Oh, Light Buddy died. This is... I don't know why Light Buddy does this. What a mess we've gotten ourselves into. Truly, what a mess. Let's copy. Okay, paste. All right, let's at least get Light Buddy back for you guys. Alright, Light Buddy should be back. Light Buddy should be operational. Hopefully. I'm really... Maybe the strat instead is to make the sketch up here. It might be the strat. You know, it's tough to be Nate Iverson right now. What can I say? What can I say? Create, project, include. We'll include that. Let's also get that ear in. Project, include this. Nice. Okay. Circle like so. .45 degrees. Get this down here. 45 degrees. Get this up here. Here to here. And here to here. Alright. Is this... Am I embarking on a fool's errand? Is there any hope for me? There's no hope for me. This is so sad. So if I maybe if I go, this is crazy. This is I guess maybe let's go back to, let's delete this sketch. I think I'm gonna get there. I think I have a plan. I think we have a road to success. We struggled together, but I think I have a road to success. I think we're gonna edit this sketch. I'm going to project include this curve as well. And I think if I just go like a line here to here, I think I'm just trying to fill in the gaps that Fusion 360 isn't happy with. I think like this is just like a weird shape and Fusion doesn't really like dealing with it. So I think I think this is the strat. I think this is a strat that's actually gonna work. I think this is the one that's gonna make it happen. Okay. I think this is the one. For sure. And then let's also bring the ear back in. Yes. And when I extrude this up, instead of a cut, I want to join. Okay. Let's go. This is what we wanted. This is what we needed. This is... Yeah, this is, I think this is poggers. Yeah. This is good. Distance, two objects to this object here. Yeah, I think that's what we needed. I think that's perfect. I think that is exactly what we needed to do. That took so much longer than it should have. And I will point out that it is approaching 11 p.m. I think, you know, this is a bit of a short stream, but I think I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I know it's a short one, but I really just needed to get the momentum going, and I think this is what I needed to do, and we got the momentum going. And I think probably we're going to have a couple more streams this week. I'm going to try and get back on the grind doing a couple streams a week. Yeah, so I think I'll probably just see you guys in a couple days. It won't be as long until the next one. But, yeah, thank you everybody for coming out. It's the end of the night for me. You know, I might check out the Kunkel stream if that's still going on. And I might even recommend that you guys go check it out as well. Let's see if I can We call the stream a kickoff in the business. That is that is so true. Yeah, in the biz. But yeah, if Kunkel's still streaming, I'll send you guys to him. I'll drop a link in chat.
Hi, Mario. What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, we got Kunkel. I'll send. Let's see. I'll send the horizontal chat to Kunkel. I'll send the vertical chat to Kunkel. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining. I hope y'all have a lovely, excellent night. And I'll see you guys very soon.